The dark side of your zodiac sign. Part 1. Aries. Aries, I think we can all guess, but it's something to do with their temper. They will lose it, they will go berserk on you, explode, do all sorts of malicious things, and it is all without context. They do not care if they are actually the ones in the wrong and they don't have the full story, or they're taking the side of a friend who was actually in the wrong. They will explode on you first and then reflect later, if at all. They might not even, they're like, you know what, because I exploded on you, you probably deserved it. Then Taurus has a mean tongue. Okay, they have, I think, the meanest tongue I have ever seen anyone have. They are usually like the golden retriever types, so they will usually be very cheery and, a comfortable presence to be around. They'll crack a lot of jokes, but oh my god, the moment you touch their bottom line or disrespect them, they will use the harshest words, and they're not insults, okay? They are so intellectually tuned that they will not stoop down to insults. They will use very precise words with vocabulary that if you are dumb, it will probably go ahead above your head, but if you do get it, you will never recover. Okay, they don't need knives to cut you, their tongue is enough. Then moving on to Gemini. Gemini uses social annihilation. Okay, they will convince everyone that you're worthless, that you're useless, that it's better to leave your presence as unseen, and you're basically invisible till even your friends stop looking at you the same way. They will not hang out with you, they will think that you're just, a burden, a weight. Man, Gemini really excels at that. Cancerians are the very, 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 very vengeful type people. I have never seen anyone as vengeful as them. They do not believe in forgive and forget. They will very easily use any and every secret and weakness and information they have against you, and they will plot every sort of revenge till there is no way for you to get back up. And moving on to Leo is very self-centered. Okay, so anytime you go to vent to them because something bad happened to you, they will make sure that it will turn into a greater pain story from their point of view, and now the venting session belongs to them till you're the one listening all over again. It's about their pain, their trauma, their stories, their struggles. The spotlight will never be on you. Keep spilling.